These imposing Monster Eye floor mats will be sure to astound the bravest of passengers. The deep channels and tall outer ridges trap spills dead in their tracks, effectively protecting your vehicle's carpet from terrifying stains and messes. The heavy nibbed backing keeps the mats exactly where you want them, and the preset trim lines allow for a striking custom fit. Durably constructed of thick PVC rubber, these ultra-tough mats are stain-resistant, waterproof, and easy to clean. Our Monster Eye trimmable liners will curb all your inner fears. This generous set comes complete with 2 front mats and 1 long rear mat, and are available in 8 brilliant colors. Get your monster mats today and be brave in the face of scary spills.